Alright, so this next question, we're looking for a number that fits between two other numbers. And so the first thing I'm going to do is write these two numbers down. The number of jelly beans in a jar is less than that number, 3,375, and greater than 2,650. So I'm going to try to find which one of these numbers listed here fits in between. So the first number I'm going to look at is 3,650. And so I'm going to place 3,650 and see if it fits in between these two. So it could be the 3 works, but here I've got 600, which makes it greater than this number. So this number does not fit in between the two. So I'm going to go ahead and cross that one out. My next number is 2,375. So it needs to fit in between. It needs to be smaller than this number and larger than this. I'm noticing that the 2,375 falls to less than 2,650. So it would be actually in this area if I were to stack them. And so this number is not the correct answer. Cross that out. My next number is 3,150. And I'm looking to see if it fits in between. So it is greater than the 2 and equal to the 3, so maybe that works. It is less than the 6, or because it's between the 3,000 and the first one. I'm looking to see if it's less than this number. So the 1 is less than 3, so this number does fit between these two numbers. So I'm going to circle that as a possibility and then look at my last number. The last number is 2,500 or 2,500, and I'm noticing that 2,500 is actually less than my 2,650 because 5 is less than 6. So that number won't work. So when I look at my answer choices then, I find that the only answer choice that works is my 3,150. So the answer choice is C.